I'm Manny Henshaw, Service Advisor at Mercedes-Benz of Temecula, here to tell you why an oil change is important. So in the engine, the oil, when it becomes dirty, it'll transfer metallic shavings, just normal engine wear, cause scoring, and shorten the lifespan of your engine. Dirt and small particles can get inside the engine. Could also create sludge, which also slows the passage down. It doesn't allow the oil to travel through the motor like it's supposed to. On a Mercedes-Benz vehicle, it's recommended every 1 year or 10,000 miles. For our passenger cars and Sprinters 2016 and newer, it's every 20,000 miles. So on most of our Mercedes-Benz vehicles, there's going to be a dipstick. You want to get the vehicle to operating temperature. Let it sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. We're going to pull the dipstick. We want to clean it. Then reinsert it. Make sure it goes all the way down. And pull it out. Be careful, obviously, if the engine's warm. We want to look for the oil level to be right in between the hash marks. This is going to be the maximum. This is going to be the minimum. We want it somewhere in this range. If it's too high or too low, oil level should be corrected. On vehicles without a dipstick, it would be done through the instrument cluster.